Seniors, top 3 crunchy snacks that naturally reduce brain fog and sharpen senior focus. Have you ever walked into a room and forgotten why you went there? Or struggled to remember a familiar name? For many seniors, this mental fog can feel frustrating, even a little scary. But what if something as simple as a crunchy snack could gently support your brain, improve your focus, and help you feel sharper every day? The truth is, certain everyday foods carry powerful nutrients that nourish the brain naturally. And the best part, they're easy to add to your daily routine. Today, discover 3 simple crunchy snacks that can help clear that fog and bring your mind back to life. If staying sharp and independent matters to you, take a moment to support your health journey. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone you care about. And in the comments, tell us which of these snacks do you already enjoy or plan to try. Walnuts are one of the most powerful natural foods for supporting brain health in older adults, especially because they are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, a type of healthy fat that plays a key role in maintaining the structure and function of brain cells. As the body ages, the brain may not communicate as efficiently as it once did, which can lead to forgetfulness, slower thinking, and that familiar feeling of mental fog. Omega-3 helps strengthen the connections between brain cells, making it easier for signals to pass clearly and quickly, which supports better memory and sharper focus over time. Research has shown that diets rich in omega-3 fatty acids are associated with improved cognitive performance in older adults. Some doctors explain that these healthy fats help maintain the flexibility of brain cell membranes, allowing them to function more effectively. This becomes especially important after the age of 50, when natural levels of protective nutrients in the body begin to decline. Including walnuts in the daily routine can help replenish some of these essential nutrients in a simple and natural way. Walnuts also contain powerful antioxidants, including polyphenols, which help protect the brain from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is a process that can damage cells over time and is often linked to age-related cognitive decline. By reducing this damage, walnuts may help preserve memory and mental clarity. Some studies suggest that regular consumption of walnuts is associated with better performance in memory tests and improved processing speed, especially in older populations. Another important benefit of walnuts is their ability to help reduce inflammation in the body and the brain. Chronic inflammation is considered one of the underlying factors that can contribute to cognitive decline and brain fog. Certain compounds found in walnuts work to calm this inflammation, creating a more supportive environment for brain cells to function properly. Some doctors warn that long-term inflammation can quietly affect memory and focus even before noticeable symptoms appear, which makes anti-inflammatory foods like walnuts especially valuable. Walnuts also provide a natural source of vitamin E, a nutrient known for its protective effects on brain health. Vitamin E helps shield brain cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can accelerate aging in the brain. Maintaining healthy levels of vitamin E has been linked in research to slower cognitive decline and better preservation of memory as people grow older. This makes walnuts not just a snack, but a meaningful addition to a brain-supportive diet. In addition to their nutrient content, walnuts may also support better blood flow to the brain. Proper circulation is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients that the brain needs to function at its best. When blood flow is reduced, it can lead to feelings of fatigue, confusion, and lack of focus. The healthy fats and plant compounds in walnuts help support cardiovascular health, which in turn benefits brain performance. Some research suggests that improved circulation can lead to clearer thinking and better concentration in daily activities. Walnuts may also play a role in supporting mood, which is closely connected to mental clarity. Feelings of low mood or stress can make it harder to focus and remember things. The nutrients in walnuts, including omega-3 and magnesium, are known to support the nervous system and may help promote a more balanced emotional state. When the mind feels calm and steady, it becomes easier to think clearly and stay mentally engaged. For seniors who experience occasional forgetfulness or mental fatigue, walnuts offer a gentle and natural way to support brain function without relying on complicated routines. Their crunchy texture and mild flavor make them easy to include as a daily snack. Some doctors suggest that consistency is key, meaning small, regular amounts can be more beneficial over time than occasional larger portions. But it is also important to note that walnuts work best as part of a balanced approach to health. While they provide valuable nutrients, Their effects are most noticeable when they are included regularly and paired with other healthy habits. Research continues to explore the connection between diet and brain health, and walnuts consistently appear as one of the top foods associated with cognitive support in older adults. Choosing walnuts as a daily snack can be a simple yet meaningful step toward maintaining mental sharpness. Their unique combination of healthy fats, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds creates a supportive environment for the aging brain. Over time, this can help reduce that foggy feeling, improve focus, and support a clearer, more active mind throughout the day. Raw almonds are a valuable source of vitamin E, a nutrient widely recognized for its role in protecting brain cells from age-related decline and supporting long-term cognitive health. As the brain ages, it becomes more vulnerable to oxidative stress, a process that can damage cells and interfere with memory, focus, and overall mental clarity. Vitamin E acts as a powerful antioxidant, helping to neutralize harmful free radicals before they can cause damage. This protective effect becomes increasingly important after the age of 50. When the body's natural defense systems begin to weaken, research has consistently linked higher vitamin E intake with better cognitive performance in older adults. Some studies suggest that individuals who consume adequate levels of vitamin E through foods like raw almonds tend to experience slower rates of memory decline compared to those with lower intake. Doctors often emphasize that protecting brain cells is not only about maintaining memory, but also about preserving the ability to think clearly, make decisions, and stay mentally engaged in everyday life. Raw almonds provide this support in a natural and accessible way. In addition to vitamin E, raw almonds contain healthy fats that contribute to brain function. These fats help maintain the structure of brain cells and support communication between neurons, which is essential for concentration and mental sharpness. When these connections are strong and efficient, it becomes easier to process information, stay focused on tasks, and respond quickly in conversations. This can be especially beneficial for seniors who notice occasional lapses in attention or slower thinking speed. Raw almonds also offer magnesium, a mineral that plays a key role in supporting nerve function and calming the nervous system. Proper nerve signaling is essential for clear thinking and stable focus. Some doctors explain that low magnesium levels may be associated with increased mental fatigue and difficulty concentrating. By providing a steady source of this important mineral, raw almonds may help support a more balanced and alert mental state throughout the day. Another important benefit of raw almonds is their potential role in reducing inflammation, which is often linked to cognitive decline. Chronic, low-grade inflammation in the body can quietly affect brain health over time, contributing to feelings of confusion or mental fog. The natural compounds found in almonds, including antioxidants and healthy fats, work together to help reduce this inflammation and create a healthier environment for brain function. Some research indicates that diets rich in anti-inflammatory foods are associated with better cognitive outcomes in aging populations. Raw almonds may also support better blood flow, which is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients to the brain. When circulation is optimal, the brain receives the support it needs to function efficiently. Poor blood flow, on the other hand, can lead to fatigue, reduced focus, and slower mental processing. The nutrients found in almonds contribute to cardiovascular health, which in turn benefits brain performance. This connection between heart health and brain health is often highlighted by doctors as a key factor in maintaining cognitive function with age. Consistency plays an important role when it comes to the benefits of raw almonds. Regular consumption allows the body to maintain steady levels of essential nutrients that support the brain over time. Rather than relying on occasional intake, incorporating almonds into a daily routine may provide more noticeable and lasting effects. Some studies suggest that even small, consistent amounts can contribute to improved attention and memory retention in older adults. It is also important to understand that raw almonds are most beneficial when consumed in their natural form, without added sugars or excessive processing. This helps preserve their full nutrient profile and ensures that the brain receives the maximum benefit. Some doctors advise choosing whole, unroasted almonds to avoid the loss of delicate nutrients that can occur during high heat processing for seniors looking for a simple and effective way to support brain health. Raw almonds offer a practical solution backed by research and nutritional science. Their combination of vitamin E, healthy fats, magnesium, and anti-inflammatory compounds creates a supportive environment for the brain to function at its best. Over time, This may help improve concentration, support clearer thinking, and slow down the natural cognitive changes that come with aging, including raw almonds as a regular part of the diet can serve as a gentle but meaningful step toward maintaining mental sharpness. Their natural ability to protect brain cells and support focus makes them more than just a snack. They become a daily source of nourishment for the mind, helping seniors stay mentally active, alert, and engaged in the moments that matter most. Sunflower seeds are rich in antioxidants and magnesium, two essential components that play a meaningful role in supporting brain function and mental clarity in older adults. As the brain ages, it becomes more sensitive to stress, inflammation, and nutrient deficiencies, which can lead to difficulty focusing, forgetfulness, and a persistent feeling of mental fog. The nutrients found in sunflower seeds work together to support the nervous system, helping the mind stay calm, steady, and more alert throughout the day. Antioxidants in sunflower seeds, including vitamin E and various plant compounds, help protect brain cells from oxidative stress. This type of stress occurs when harmful molecules known as free radicals build up in the body and begin to damage cells. Over time, this damage can contribute to cognitive decline and reduced mental sharpness. Research has shown that foods high in antioxidants may help slow down this process and support better brain health as people age. Some doctors explain that protecting the brain from oxidative damage is one of the key steps in maintaining memory and clear thinking. Magnesium, another important nutrient found in sunflower seeds, plays a direct role in calming the nervous system. It helps regulate neurotransmitters, which are the chemical messengers responsible for communication between brain cells. When these signals are balanced, it becomes easier to stay focused, think clearly, and manage daily tasks without feeling overwhelmed. Low levels of magnesium have been linked in some studies to increased anxiety, irritability, and difficulty concentrating. By providing a natural source of magnesium, sunflower seeds may help support a more relaxed and focused mental state. Sunflower seeds may also contribute to improved mood, which is closely connected to cognitive function. Emotional well-being and mental clarity often go hand in hand. When the brain is under stress or experiencing low mood, it can become harder to concentrate and retain information. The nutrients in sunflower seeds, including magnesium and healthy fats, help support brain chemistry in a way that promotes emotional balance. Some doctors note that maintaining a stable mood can have a direct impact on how well the brain processes information and responds to daily challenges. Another benefit of sunflower seeds is their role in supporting healthy blood flow. Proper circulation ensures that the brain receives a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients, which are necessary for optimal function. When blood flow is reduced, it can lead to fatigue, slower thinking, and a lack of mental clarity. The natural compounds found in sunflower seeds support cardiovascular health, which in turn benefits the brain. Research suggests that improved circulation can enhance attention, memory, and overall cognitive performance in older adults. Sunflower seeds also contain small amounts of B vitamins, which are important for energy production in the brain. These vitamins help convert food into usable energy, allowing brain cells to perform their functions efficiently. When energy levels in the brain are low, it can result in sluggish thinking and difficulty staying focused. Including foods that support energy production, such as sunflower seeds, may help maintain a steady level of mental alertness throughout the day. Consistency is important when it comes to experiencing the benefits of sunflower seeds. Regular intake allows the body to maintain stable levels of essential nutrients that support brain function over time. Some studies suggest that incorporating nutrient-dense foods into daily habits can lead to gradual improvements in focus, mood, and clarity, rather than relying on occasional consumption. Making sunflower seeds a regular part of the routine may provide more noticeable results. It is also important to choose sunflower seeds in their natural form, without excessive salt or added ingredients to preserve their health benefits. Some doctors advise limiting added sodium, especially for older adults, as it may affect overall health and indirectly influence brain function. Keeping the seeds as close to their natural state as possible ensures that the body receives their full nutritional value. Sunflower seeds offer a simple and accessible way to support the brain through natural nutrition. Their combination of antioxidants, magnesium, and supportive nutrients creates an environment where the brain can function more efficiently and with greater clarity. Over time, This may help reduce the heavy, foggy feeling that many seniors experience, making it easier to stay mentally present and engaged. Including sunflower seeds as a regular snack can be a gentle and effective step toward maintaining focus and emotional balance. Their ability to calm the nervous system while supporting brain activity makes them a valuable addition to daily life. With consistent use, they may help promote clearer thinking, steadier focus, and a more comfortable, alert state of mind as the years go on. Thank you for spending these few minutes here. Growing older does not mean giving up strength or comfort. With the right foods and small daily choices, the body can continue to support you well. This channel is here to share simple, research-based guidance that helps people over 50 stay steady, active, and confident. Take care of yourself, listen to your body, and join us again for the next video.